Minister Narendra Modi was on a visit to Odisha and Uttarakhand on 28 January. The Prime Minister inaugurated the Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025 at Janata Maidan in Bhubaneswar. During the event, the Prime Minister said that Eastern India is a growth engine in the development of the country and Odisha plays a key role in this. Later he inaugurated the 38th National Games in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. These games are underway in 11 cities across 8 districts of Uttarakhand till 14 February. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget for the financial year 2025-26. The Union Government has recognized 4 engines of development: agriculture, micro, small and medium enterprises, investment and exports. The government has also revised the tax rate structure, which will substantially reduce the taxes of the middle class and leave more money in their hands, boosting household consumption, savings and investment. Union Ministers Ashwini Vaishnav and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat launched Waves Bazaar, Wah Ustad Challenge and Waves Awards in New Delhi on 27 January. Addressing the gathering, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said that India is gaining a lot of importance in the World Forum for its heritage, rich culture and storytelling, and it will soon become the capital of the creative economy. On 29 January, the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the administered ex-mill price of ethanol derived from C-heavy molasses at 57 rupees and 97 paise per litre under the Ethanol Blended Petrol Programme for the ethanol supply year 2024-25. The Cabinet also approved the National Critical Mineral Mission to build a resilient value chain for critical mineral resources vital to green technologies. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav addressed a press conference on India AI Mission in New Delhi on 30th January. Addressing the media, the minister said that the country now has 15,000 high-end graphics processing units available to support India's AI mission, and its foundational model will be able to compete with the world's best model. The Indian Space Research Organisation successfully conducted its 100th launch from Satish Dhawan Space Centre, Sriharikota. The launched GSLV F-15 NVS-02 mission carried the NVS-02 navigation satellite into geosynchronous transfer orbit. This achievement marks another step forward in strengthening India's space capabilities and navigation systems.